Am I speaking to the homeowner? Excellent. So I'm calling today on behalf of Anarchy Feedback Services. We saw that you had responded to an email we sent out seeking participants for a product survey. Is that correct? Excellent. So the survey is going to be very brief and shouldn't take up too much time at all. So all we're going to do is I'm going to ask you a few questions about the product itself, your experience with it, your level of happiness, satisfaction, etc. All you need to do is answer the questions honestly and don't think too hard on any one question. Whatever your gut instinct is, that's what we're looking for. Okay, perfect. So let me just get set up here. Okay. So, can I get your first and last name, please? And your current address. Okay. And sorry, just got a few little boxes I need to fill in myself. Okay. So, some of these questions are going to be yes or no, some are going to be rating on a scale, some are going to be short answer. So whatever feels most appropriate for the question, that's probably what we're looking for. So again, don't think too hard about any one thing. Don't overthink anything. Just your gut instinct, how you feel about the product. Alright. So, first question, overall, how satisfied were you with the product? Okay. And if you were to put that onto a scale of 1 to 10? Excellent. On a scale of 1 to 10, what was your satisfaction with the build quality of the product? Excellent. On a scale of 1 to 10, what was your overall satisfaction with the functionality of the product? How likely would you be to recommend this product to friends or family? Excellent. Were there any major defects or issues you had with your product? Was the service provided to you at the purchase location standard, above average, or below average? Was the representative in the store that you purchased the item in knowledgeable, not knowledgeable, or an average level of knowledgeable? you recommend that particular store location to your friends and family? Are there any other comments or suggestions you have, either for how operations are in the physical store or for the item you purchased? And then, as far as this call has been concerned, did you find me to be a satisfactory representative? No, trust me, I wouldn't take any offense even if you said no. Yeah, no, people have said no before. Usually it's because they were upset with the product or the service in the store. Just wanted someone to take it out on, but it doesn't bother me one bit. Alright, and finally, if you were to receive another call from us down the road regarding another purchase you'd made, would you be willing at that time to take another brief survey, much like the one you've just taken? So, because you answered in the affirmative, I'm going to ask for your email address. That way, in the future, when your account is flagged as having a purchase recently being made, we can automatically dispatch an email to you, and you can take a online version of this survey. We generally just do a phone call for the first one, so we can get all the required information. And people generally like it to hear someone's voice when going over this sort of thing. But in the future, for your convenience, it'll be a digital version. Okay, perfect. Was that, you said underscore? This is going to be a good number in case we do need to reach you going forward. Okay. Oh, you'd rather have it go to your... Okay. No problem whatsoever. Just go ahead and give me that number. And those last two were 7-4? Okay, perfect. Well, thank you so much for participating in this brief survey. Down the road, we're so happy that you were satisfied with your service. Down the road, if you have any issues, concerns, or if you just want to tell us that we're still doing a good job, feel free to call or email. That contact information will be both on your purchase receipt, whether you purchase digitally or in store. Thank you so much for participating. You too. Have a nice day.